Hello friends, welcome back to my channel Abbasopedia. Today we will learn about pollination. If you haven't subscribed to my channel yet, please like, share, subscribe and hit the notification bell icon so that you get notified every time I upload a new video. Did you ever wonder how plants reproduce fruits and seeds? The colorful flowers are the reproductive parts of the plant which produce fruits, seeds, hence cause new flowers and plants to grow. In today's video, we'll try to learn about flowers and how they reproduce, and also parts of a flower, bisexual flowers, monosexual flowers, cross-pollination and self-pollination. Now let us learn about the parts of the flower, which are the calyx, corolla, Androecium, Gynoecium, pedicel and thalamus. Now let us begin to learn about the first part, which is the calyx. The outermost layer or whorl of the flower is called the calyx. It contains a green leaf-like structure called sepals. There may be 5 or more sepals in a flower. The main function of a sepal is to protect the flower in the birth stage. They can also prepare food for the plant. Now let us move on to the second whorl, which is the corolla. The corolla is generally consists of a ring of brightly colored leaf-like structures called petals. Since petals are brightly colored, they attract insects that help in pollination. They also produce different scents to attract insects towards the flower. Now let us move on to the third whorl of the flower, which is the Androecium. Stamen is the male reproductive part of the flower. Stamen is made up of filament and anther. The long slender stalk is called the filament. The tip of the stamen is in the anther. Anthers produce pollen grains, which are the male reproductive cells or gametes. The fourth whorl of the flower is the gynoecium. Gynoecium is located in the center of the flower. It is a collection of carpels or pistils. Pistils are female reproductive units of the flower. Carpel is made up of stigma, style and ovary. Stigma is the sticky swollen tip of the pistil. It receives the pollen grains. Style is the thin, long, tube-like structure. It connects the stigma and the ovary. Ovary is the swollen base of the pistil. Ovary contains ovules. Ovules contain eggs or the female gametes. Now let us learn about the types of flowers. Depending on whether flowers contain both male and female reproductive parts, flowers can be of two types: bisexual complete flowers, monosexual or unisexual incomplete flowers. Bisexual flowers. Bisexual flowers contain both male and female sexual parts, means contain both stamen and pistil. They are called complete flowers. A few examples are rose, hibiscus and tulip. Monosexual flowers or unisexual flowers are also known as incomplete flowers because flowers contain either male stamen or female pistil reproductive part. Examples of monosexual flowers are watermelon, cucumber and papaya. Now let us talk about pollination. Transfer of pollen grains from the anther to the stigma by various agents is called pollination. Pollination leads to the formation of seeds and fruits in a plant. The agents of pollination are water, insects, wind and bird. Types of pollination: self-pollination and cross-pollination. Cross-pollination: when the pollen grains from the anther of one flower are transferred to the stigma of another flower present on a different plant of the same kind is called cross-pollination. This usually occurs in flowering plants. Self-pollination: when the pollen grains from the anther of one flower fall on the stigma of the same flower or another flower on the same plant, this is called self-pollination. Pea plant is an example of self-pollination. Thank you for watching this video. I hope you found this video helpful. If you haven't subscribed to my channel yet, please subscribe, like, share and hit the notification bell icon so that you get notified every time I upload a new video.